Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 228 or Opening of Closed Documents. Under Article 228, opening of closed documents is committed by any public officer not included in the provisions of Articles 226 and 227, who, without proper authority, shall open or shall permit to be opened any closed papers, documents, or objects entrusted to his custody. May apat na elements itong crime na ito. First, offender is a public officer. Second, any closed papers, documents, or objects are entrusted to his custody. Third, he opens or permits to be opened said closed papers, documents, or objects. And fourth, he does not have proper authority. Same concept po ito sa Article 226 and Article 227. Pero yung offender dito ay public officer entrusted with closed papers, documents, or objects. Dito sa Article 227, hindi po requirement na may damage sa third person or the public interest. Ang pinaparusahan dito ay yung pag-open ng closed papers, documents, or object. Kahit hindi nabasa or natamper yung laman ng closed papers, documents, or objects, basta inopen ito without authority, na violate na itong crime na ito. Example, yung mga nakasobre na containing communications between high-ranking officials. Let's say si BIR Commissioner as a commissioner nagpadala ng letter of communication kay Secretary of Finance na naka-envelope ito, naka-glue din. Yung BIR Commissioner, inutusan ngayon yung admin officer ng agency upang i-deliver ito sa office ng secretary. Kung binuksan ito ng admin officer, pwede siyang criminally liable. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.